Well, good morning and welcome to Sitka, Alaska. Don't have any plans. I'm just going to go do some exploring. So come along with me and let's check it out.
Pulled into the Sitka Sound Cruise Terminal, which has souvenir shops, restaurants, and tour vendors. It's also where you can catch a free bus that will take you to downtown. Bus drops you off at the Centennial Center, which is within easy walking distance of the rest of downtown, shops, restaurants, and bars, and some other tourist attractions.
So just got dropped downtown Sitka. Took the free bus from where the ship docks, and about a 15-minute ride or so. The bus was kind of cramped. It's one of those old school buses. But yeah, they drop you at Centennial Hall, and so now I'm just going on a walkabout. So I didn't really have much of a plan, so I just kind of wandered through downtown a little bit. But guy told me to go check out Castle Hill, so that's where I'm headed now. And supposedly there's all kinds of cool overlit looks of the city and the harbor and mountains. So let's go give it a look-see. Now to see how good a shape I am, if I could climb all these steps. Well, I actually made it. It's pretty awesome view. Castle Hill in Sitka, Alaska. Is a good thing to check out if you don't have anything planned, no excursions. Awesome views, and it's an easy hike to get to. And as you can see, they do have a ramp for mobility, people with mobility issues to access. Well, guys, I think I'm gonna wrap it up and head back to the ship. It's kind of a quick trip day here in Sitka. Really, mainly I just want to get off the ship and check out the wildlife, the trees, the nature. I mean, the air so clean and brisk up here. The water's so beautiful. Snow still on the mountains. But yeah, if you get the chance to stop in Sitka, get out and take a walk around yourself. And I will check you on the next video. Well, hey guys, I made it back, and you know, it was just a quick day. Just wanted to get off the ship and you know, do a little exploring around town. Mostly I wanted to take in the views of the nature, the wildlife. We did spot a bald eagle up in one of the trees by the buses as we were getting on the bus to come back. So that was kind of cool. But yeah, you know, Sitka is a neat little town, and because I guess apparently, you know, way back before the United States purchased Alaska, you know, obviously Russia owned it, they controlled it, they did some colonization out here, and so, you know, even today you can see some remnants of that in Sitka. They did have like a Russian church, some of the names of different buildings and stuff. So it's pretty neat to see that. You know, size-wise, the town, it's not really big, but it's big enough, you know, to where there is some shopping you can do. There's you know, a few restaurants you can go to, a couple of bars here and there. You know, and where the ship docked was at the Sitka Sound cruise terminal. And so basically, when you get off the ship, you know, you walk into the little Sitka Sound port area where they've got, you know, some souvenir shops, they got some restaurants. You'll see all kinds of people that are there to, you know, give you tours and things like that. So if you didn't book something, they do have a lot of local tour guides that show up, and they have a free bus that takes you from Sitka Sound Terminal over to you know, drops you downtown at the Centennial Hall Center. That's what they call it, where they drop you off. It's a Centennial Hall, and again, there they have some souvenir shops. They have some folks offering tours, and but other than that, you can just walk around downtown, do your own self-exploring, like I did. I did, you know, didn't know anything about Sitka. I had seen a few YouTube videos, but I heard the bus driver mention the Castle Hill, and it seemed, you know, that was a pretty easy hike to get there. A lot of steps going up, but I did find out after I got up there that there was a ramp. So, you know, if you are in a wheelchair or a walker, you know, you can take that ramp all the way to the top, which I think was kind of neat. And up there they had all kinds of historical plaques to tell you the history. There's some cannons, but you know, the main thing is the views. You know, they have some pretty cool 360 views of the whole area. You can see the whole harbor. You can see the I believe it's a snow-capped volcano out there. So really cool. You know, it's very majestic views, very quaint little town. But I didn't know the history of Castle Hill. I'm going to look that up later. But hey, if you guys know the history of it, let me know in the comments. But as always, if you like this video, consider hitting the thumbs up on the way out. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. It helps the channel grow, helps push the message out to the masses. And I appreciate anybody that watches, likes, subscribes, shares, comments. And I hope you're having a great day. And I hope you're enjoying whatever it is you're doing. And I will see you on the next video. Take care, everybody.